Jer snimu.
Nisam snimao.
Jaj, greški.
Yo, what's up guys, my name is Antisnake. Today is the day we go in the woods. It's all land over here, you know, it's all land. And we're gonna go to some kind of a lake in the forest. My hair is bad, don't mess with that. And we're gonna go record some videos, some b-roll over the lake. And we're gonna go take a little picture to make with the sun. The weather is a bit bad, so don't worry, it's gonna be perfect. Okay, let's go. It's raining, guys. We gotta hurry up because my gear is really not for sale. It's gonna break easily. Okay, so this is the lake. We are at the lake, and let's do this. And so we did the little b-roll section. I hope it looks good, I don't know. But last time, so this is the second time we have come here. First time my battery on my phone ran out, so we couldn't do any of this. And today, so next we're going up there. We're gonna take some videos and we're gonna shoot them. So see you there. Okay guys, so this is the little video we have made, and today we're going like up the hill. We're gonna record a little bit of scenery. It looks nice, you know. The weather is not that bad, not that good at all, and yeah, it's kind of good, you know. So let's go. Check. Šta sam maš?
Pažio si kamera, pa ovdje kamera.
Šta kamera?
Pa kamera ti
Ti treba ovdje rukom, a ti vo.
Ne. Dobro je to ispao. Sad ovaj dio.
Ovdje nja briga. Gdje što pivić pa? Au. Još na vlog?
Šo?
Ona vidi se na kameru, ali se ne vidiš na kameru.
Pa da se vidi na kameri. Kamere, maga. Ček, da uleti u kameru. Ajmo dalje.
Sada ufati u fu.
Lika uzao lanac i ček da.
Snimao ga za vlog.
Ko to spema? Omor, spema, ne možeš mu prići.